What would happen if you challenged yourself to eat one avocado every single day for a month? Would you start to gain weight, given all the buzz about it being high in fat? Or could this one simple green fruit actually be a key to unlocking better heart health, smoother digestion, a sharper metabolism, and just feeling better overall? The answer might not be what you expect, because hidden inside that creamy green flesh is a powerful, unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can influence nearly every system in your body. So let's peel back the skin and see what really happens when avocados become a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. The first place you'll likely notice a change is in your gut. Think about it. One medium avocado packs around 10 grams of dietary fiber. For many people, that's more fiber than they get in an entire day, sometimes even in a couple of meals combined. This isn't just about roughage. This fiber is a feast for the trillions of beneficial bacteria living in your digestive system. These microbes, your gut microbiome, are like a bustling internal ecosystem, and they need fuel to thrive. When you feed them well, they reward you. They help maintain the health of your digestive tract and produce powerful compounds like short-chain fatty acids that support your health far beyond just your stomach. So, as you start consistently adding this fiber-rich fruit, you might begin to notice things shifting. Bowel movements could become more regular, and issues like constipation might ease up. Over time, many report improved digestion and less bloating. It's because avocados cleverly contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance, feeding those good bacteria and softening things up, while the insoluble fiber adds bulk, helping everything move along smoothly. You're not just eating an avocado, you're cultivating a healthier internal garden. Now let's talk about the main event for avocados, the fat. For years, fat was the villain in our nutritional story, but we now know that's an oversimplification. The type of fat matters immensely. Unlike the unhealthy trans fats you find in many processed foods, avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats. This is the same heart-friendly fat that makes olive oil a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. It's a good guy. So what does this mean for your heart? Well, research consistently suggests that swapping out saturated fats for these healthier unsaturated fats can help support healthy cholesterol levels. Some studies have found that people who eat avocados regularly show improvements in key cardiovascular risk factors. For instance, a large 2022 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that a higher avocado intake was linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart disease. It seems that this daily habit could help keep your blood vessels healthy and flexible, allowing blood to flow smoothly. Your heart is working tirelessly for you 24/7. Providing it with the right kind of fuel from whole foods like avocados is one of the best ways to support its long-term health. Beyond the fiber and fat, an avocado is a nutrient powerhouse. It's not an empty calorie food. It's incredibly dense with vitamins and minerals that your cells crave. Every bite delivers a dose of vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, folate, crucial for cell growth and metabolism, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. But one mineral in particular makes avocados stand out: potassium. When you think of potassium, you probably think of bananas, but avocados actually contain more potassium per serving. This is a big deal because most of us don't get enough of this vital mineral. Potassium is like your body's master electrician. It helps regulate fluid balance, it's essential for proper nerve signaling, and it plays a key role in muscle contractions, including your heartbeat. So that daily avocado isn't just a tasty addition to your meal, it's a direct deposit of essential nutrients that keep your body's intricate systems running correctly. Have you ever experienced that mid-afternoon energy crash? That feeling where you suddenly need a nap or a sugary snack to keep going? This often happens after a meal high in refined carbohydrates that sends your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Avocados do the opposite. They contain very little sugar, and their powerful combination of healthy fats and fiber work together to slow down digestion. When you add avocado to a meal, the energy from that food is released into your bloodstream much more gradually. The result? A more stable blood sugar curve without the dramatic spikes and crashes. This leads to more sustained energy throughout the day. And there's a side benefit. Because you feel full and satisfied for longer, you're less likely to reach for those unnecessary, often unhealthy snacks between meals. It's a simple strategy for better energy management and appetite control. It might surprise you to learn that nearly 60% of your brain is made of fat, so it makes sense that the fats we eat play a role in its health and function. While no single food can act as a magic brain booster, providing your brain with the right building blocks is critical. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are essential for maintaining the health of your cell membranes, the protective outer layer of every cell in your body, including your brain cells or neurons. Healthy cell membranes are crucial for effective communication between neurons, which is the basis of all thought, memory, and learning. Some research has even suggested a link between avocado consumption and improved cognitive function in older adults. When you combine this daily habit with an overall healthy diet rich in other brain-supporting foods, you're investing in the long-term health of your most important organ. All right, let's tackle the big question, the one that makes many people hesitate. Won't eating a calorie-dense food like an avocado every day lead to weight gain? It's a valid concern. A single medium avocado can have over 200 calories. But here's where the story gets interesting, and it defies simple calorie counting logic. Numerous studies have observed something of a paradox. People who regularly eat avocados tend to have healthier body weights and lower BMIs than those who don't. How can this be? The answer lies in one powerful word: satiety. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados are incredibly satisfying. They signal to your brain that you're full, and they keep you feeling that way for hours. This means you're less likely to overeat during your next meal or graze on snacks throughout the day. So while an avocado adds calories to one meal, it often leads to you consuming fewer calories overall. The key to weight management isn't always about eating less, it's about eating smarter, and staying satisfied is a huge part of that equation. Now, as wonderful as avocados are, no food is a perfect fit for every single person. For the vast majority, they are a fantastic addition to the diet. However, a few people should be mindful. Because avocados are rich in potassium, individuals with advanced kidney disease who need to carefully restrict potassium intake should consult their doctor. Also, for some people with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, avocados can be a trigger. They contain compounds called FODMAPs that can cause digestive distress in sensitive individuals. So starting with a small portion, like an eighth of an avocado, is a good idea. Finally, they contain vitamin K, which is involved in blood clotting. If you're on a blood thinner like warfarin, it's important to maintain a consistent intake of vitamin K, so you should discuss adding a daily avocado with your healthcare provider. For everyone else, remember that portion size still matters in the context of a balanced diet. So, what happens if you eat one avocado every day? You give your body a daily dose of high-quality fuel. You support your gut microbiome with fiber, you nourish your heart and brain with healthy fats, and you supply your cells with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium. You help stabilize your blood sugar and energy levels, and you may even find it easier to manage your weight because you feel more satisfied. Will a daily avocado magically solve all your health problems? Of course not. Health is a complex puzzle, and no single food is the entire solution. But avocados are, without a doubt, one of the most nutrient-dense, beneficial foods you can add to your plate. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest, most consistent daily habits are the ones that create the most profound and lasting results for our health. A small change, one avocado at a time, can truly make a big difference.